Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20, the 50, and the 200 SMAs on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then click on this icon here at the top. Click on F+, then choose moving average. So we have here period, and we have here 20. So we're gonna start with the 20 SMA. We have here method. Make sure you choose simple because SMA stands for simple moving average. Okay, remember that. Now we have here style and we have here 4 pixel. So for me, I will choose just 2. This is for the thickness of your moving average, okay, of your SMA. And here is the color. So I will choose, for example, red and click on save. If we go back, as you can see, this is the 20 SMA. Now let's add the 50, F plus, moving average, and type here 50. Okay, like this. We have here simple, make sure it's on simple. The thickness, I will keep it also on 2 pixel, but the color, I will change it, for example, to, let's say, green. Click on save. If we go back, as you can see, this is the 50 SMA. Now let's add the 200. Moving average. We have here 50. I will change it to 200. Simple. But the thickness, I will change it to 4. Okay. And the color, I will change it, for example, to black. Click on save. Let's go back. And as you can see, now this is our 200. This is our 50. And this is our 20. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.